When we suddenly come across an unusual thing, the very first expression comes to our mind is, ah, oh my God. What you will say in Bishnupriya Manipuri? In Bishnupriya Manipuri, we say, Hoimaro. My grandfather used to say, Arabais, which was a typical Bengali expression commonly used in their local region. Though he was not Bengali, still he used to say this phrase, Arabais, means Hoimaro in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some more commonly used sentences in Bishnupriya Manipuri, such as, how are you? Ti kisade oya asot. How means kisade. You means ti. When we say how are you, it will be ti kisade oya asot. Where are you going? Ti kurang kia asot. Where means kurang. Are you going? Ti gia asot. Where are you going? Ti kurang gia asot. You are coming to visit my house tomorrow, right? You are coming to visit my house tomorrow, right? You are coming. Ti ahor. To visit. Here, no need to say the meaning of to visit. Ti ahor. If we say ti ahor, is enough. You are coming to visit my house. Mor gore. Tomorrow. Kali. Right? Nagoithang. You are coming to visit my house tomorrow. Ti kali mor gore ahor nagoithang. We will have a meal together, okay? We, ami, will have kheitangai. Ami kheitangai. A meal. Bat akchara. Together. Aksate. Okay. Hey. We will have a meal together. Okay. Ami aksate bat akchara kheitangai. Hey. Bye. See you tomorrow. Haide kali tor loge deha oitoi. Bye means haide. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow means kali. See you tor loge deha oitoi. I am going to market today to buy some vegetables. I am going. You know the meaning of I am going. Already I have told in last videos. I am going. Mi gia asu. To market. Bajare. To buy. Lonat. Some vegetables. Hopat khani. Vegetables means hopat. Some khani. Mi bajare gia asu hopat khani lonat. Mi bajare hopat khani lonat gia asu. I am going to market to buy some vegetables. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Ti mor loge aitei thang. Are you coming? Ti aitei thang. You means ti. Are you coming? Ti aitei thang. Coming means aitei thang. Actually, coming means ahani. Ahani. Sometimes we say aitei, the short form of ahani. Ti aitei, ti ahitei. Sometimes you say this short form aitei, not ahitei. Okay? So, ti aitei thang. Question. Ti aitei thang. Question. Okay? With me. More loge. With means loge. Me means more. Are you coming with me? Ti more loge aitei thang. No, I'm not coming with you. Nana, me tor loge now aito. I am not coming. I am means me. I am not coming. Me naito means me nahito. Short form naito. I am not coming with you. Tor loge. You means tor. With means loge. Me tor loge nahito. I have a lot of work. Morta nyampa kam ase. I have morta ase a lot of work. Nyampa. I don't have time now. Morta ebaka shomoy nei. I don't have. Morta nei. I means morta don't have nei. Time. Shomoy. I don't have time now. Ebaka. Now means ebaka. Morta ebaka shomoy nei. I have to cook. Morta radani ase. I have morta ase to cook. Radani. Morta radani ase. And then I have to go to school to fetch my child. And then tar pisede. I have to go. Morta jana ase. To go. Jana. I have morta ase. I have to go. Morta jana ase. To school. Skule. To fetch. Ananirka. My child. More sogore. I have to go to school to fetch my child. Tar pisede morta more sogore ananirka skule jana ase. Let me conclude today. I hope you are learning Bishnupriya Manipuri very well. Hey ma Bishnupriya Manipuri jiajiput. Ami habihan akpedoik. Jingta kore kimar tharhan. Pal kore kimar tharhan. Eta bulia ajimi epedlom korlu. Habihan hobaya thayo. Dhanyabad. Namaskar. Take care.